If you play acoustic guitar and you would like to learn about playing with other people, this video is for you. Hi, my name is Allie Jean. I love playing music acoustically with other people. I love teaching how to enjoy playing music too. And subscribe for more tips on how to jam. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and comment. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Let's talk guitar. I started playing guitar when I was 14. I started playing after being a singing kid who loved singing around the campfire at church camp. I just loved the idea of accompanying singing. When I learned to play guitar, it was because I wanted to sing. And I stole a songbook from the church camp. I took it home, taught myself chords. This is pre-YouTube. There was a chord chart in the back of the songbook. And I learned G, E minor, C, and D, learned the first song in the book, and off we go. For at least 15 years, I just kind of played how it felt right, and it worked, like maybe many of you. It was a long time before I learned about a really great accompaniment pattern that works for old-time music and for bluegrass music. And you can kind of work it in with country and all kinds of things. And once you know it, you can apply it in so many ways. That is called the boom chuck. Now, I like to personally call it the boom chick. So let me grab my guitar and we're going to show you the boom chick. The boom chick, because it has two sounds. It has a low sound, the boom, and a high sound, the chick. We've got a two-part strum. We've got a boom, that's one low string that we're going to strum down upon. I'm playing a G chord right now. You can make the G however you like. I'm making mine like this. And we're going to use our Pro-Plec flat pick, 1.5 millimeters. It's my favorite kind. Hold it. This could be a whole other lesson. Smash down on that lowest string, the 6th string. The E string that I'm fretting at the 3rd fret, and it's a G note. That low sound. Boom. You can just practice that a whole bunch. It's okay if the pick stops and rests on the next string below it. It's actually a really good thing called a rest stroke. That's your boom. Then after that, we're going to keep on strumming. There's just a little pause in between. Boom, chick. The trick is staying exactly in time as you boom chick. Now, someone might have a question out there. Why are we boom chicking? In country, bluegrass, old time, even pop music has this undercurrent, rock and roll for sure. Our rhythm has two main sides. It's got a downbeat and it's got an offbeat. Why it's called downbeat and offbeat and not downbeat and upbeat, I do not know. What I hear people say. Downbeat is your booms. Da, 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 da. Hey, pretty baby, won't you give me a sign? I'll do anything to make you mine, oh mine. The hills were alive with wildflowers, and I love rock and roll. Put another dime in the jukebox, baby. All your favorite songs have this downbeat. You've also got your offbeat, and that's the chick. That's the part that makes you want to kind of jump up like this. I love rock and roll. Put another dime in the jukebox, baby. hills were alive with wildflowers and I said, hey pretty baby, won't you give me a sign? I'll do anything to make you mine, all mine. That's kind of an up to speed boom chick. So boom, chick. Do I have to hit all the strings on my chick? You do not. You can skip some on purpose or just because that happens. Can you accent the chick a little more than the boom? Yeah, you should do that if you're playing in a really hot bluegrass jam. Can I accent the boom more than the chick? You should do that if you're in a hoppin' old time jam. So you have a lot of flexibility within your boom chick strum. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and comment. Don't forget to comment and subscribe.